My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2016 Suzuki Vitara. This vehicle has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature. On the right, we have cruise control and a keyless ignition. On our screen, we can access radio, Bluetooth, navigation and smartphone integration. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. And just below the screen we have our AC. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.